This video is to give a quick overview of how to create a connection to Power BI using BI Validator. Once you log into BI Validator, you will be able to see the home page. From there, you can click on the Add Connection. On the top, you will be able to see all the BI platforms supported by BI Validator. If you do not see Power BI here, it could be most likely because of either a licensing issue. You can drop us a note and we'll be more than happy to support you. So click on that Power BI link. The name of the connection will be populated by default. There are various options here for application type and login type. To know more, you can go to help.datagaps.com and just search for Power BI and you will get your answers to understand more of what the user owns means, app on means. And then there are also login types which are different, whether it is interactive or non-interactive. Interactive being, I will use the Microsoft provided authentication URL to log in so that the BI validator will not store the credentials. So I will leave the default parameters the way they are and then enter the application ID to begin with. Now I can click on test. When I click on test, as I said, the Microsoft pop-up comes up. I can enter the user's information here. So I'm entering the username and then followed by the password. Once I enter the username and password, BI Validator tries to connect to Power BI and you should be able to see that the connection is successfully established. That's about it. It's very simple. You can close this and now you are able to create test plans using your new connection. So you can always go as a next step to create any of the test plans which are available for Power BI specifically. Thank you very much for watching this. If you need additional help, as I mentioned, you can always go to help.datagaps.com. I'll open up the URL here. So it is help.datagaps.com. And then you can search for Power BI and then go into the details to understand more. Thank you very much.